Welcome to English Through Ideas, where we learn English through powerful ideas. Think about the last time you went through a really difficult period. Maybe you failed an important test, or you lost your job. When life gets hard, it is common to feel stuck. It feels as if you have lost the steering wheel and have no control over your own path. This is a struggle we all face. When the outside world refuses to change, we feel trapped. Meet Viktor Frankl. He was a doctor whose life was turned upside down during World War II. Frankl was sent to a concentration camp. Within hours, his entire life was stripped away. The prisoners lost their homes, their families, and even their clothes. Eventually, they lost their names, replaced by numbers sewn onto their uniforms. This raises a difficult question. In a place where you have absolutely nothing, how do you find the strength to survive? Frankl's survival stands as a testament to the mind's ability to triumph over the total loss of everything else. Inside the camps, the guards held absolute power over the prisoners. They decided when a person ate, where they moved, and how their bodies were treated. But as Frankl watched his fellow inmates, he realized there was one specific space the guards could never reach. He called this the last human freedom. It is the ability to choose your own attitude, no matter what happens to you. While the guards could force his body to perform freezing labor, they could not force his mind to give up. True freedom is a mental choice you make every single day. In the middle of the suffering, certain prisoners found a way to endure while others lost hope. The survivors all shared one thing. They had a why, a specific reason to keep living. For one man, that reason was his child. He knew the boy was waiting for him in another country, and he had to live to see him again. Another was a scientist. He needed to survive because he had a book to finish, a piece of work that only he could write. Frankl found his own strength in his wife. Even while digging in the frozen ground, he kept going by imagining her smile. Frankl lived by a powerful rule. He who has a why to live for can bear almost any how. Your why is that future goal, like seeing your child again, and the how is the freezing labor and hunger of the camp. When you focus on your future purpose, it acts like a shield, protecting you from the pain of your present situation. In our own lives, we often ask the wrong question when things get difficult. We ask, what do I expect from life? Frankl tells us to turn the question around. We should look at our situation and ask, what does life expect from me? Life gives us daily tasks, and it is our responsibility to answer them with good actions. So, what is your why? Taking care of your family? Or creating art? Or is it learning English so you can build a better future? When you find that purpose, life's challenges stop being punishments. They become assignments that give your life meaning. Once you know your why, you can face any how. Remember that no matter how hard things get, you always own the freedom to choose your own attitude. Thank you for learning with English Through Ideas. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more ideas, more English, and more growth.